Lo mkhankaso wethulwa umengameli ngoNhlangulana kanti kuwo kubungazwa izigigaba ezaholela enkululekweni yezwe. Kuzokufaka imashi yabesifazane belwa nomthetho wamapasi eminyakeni engu-70 eyedlule, ukususwa ngesankahlo kwabantu abampisholo eDistrict 6 eKapa eminyakeni engu-60 eyedlule. Ukubamba lo mcimbi kwaDukuza kukhumbuza abantu ngeqhaza likaLuthuli enkululekweni yezwe.
It is fitting that this launch takes place here in KwaDukuza. This is the home of Chief Albert John Mvumbi Luthuli, President General of the ANC, Nobel Peace Laureate, and a man whose life reminds us that the freedoms we honor today were won through sacrifice, discipline, and unshakable belief in a just and democratic South Africa.
Kube sekubekwa izimbali elibeni lenkosi uAlbert Luthuli ukuyihlonipha ngeqhaza layo enkululekweni yakulelizwe.
Siyathobeka thina njengekhaya. Siyathinteka ngendlela ubaba wethu uChief Albert John Mvumbi Luthuli akhunjulwa ngayo nakhumbuleka ngayo ikhathi nesikhathi zilandelana.
Inkosi uLuthuli yakhothama ngomhla zingu-21 kuJulayi ka-1967 nokwabikwa ukuthi yagayiswa yiguzu. NgoMeyi ngo-2024 kwavulwa kabusha uphenyo ngokukhothama kwayo. Kwathi ngo-Okthoba ka-2025 lolu phenyo lwadalula ukuthi inkosi yabulawa ukulimala kobuchopho okwakuhlobene nokushaywa ekhanda. Kwakhonjwa ngenjumbane amaphoyisa obandlululo.